Most people building a barndominium are choosing between affordable and beautiful. What if you didn't have to choose? The Scandinavian Barndominium with Wraparound Porch is the one design in 2026 that delivers jaw-dropping curb appeal, cozy interior living, and a price tag that still makes financial sense. And here's what nobody is telling you. The Wraparound Porch is not just a design feature, it's a lifestyle upgrade that adds real value in ways most builders completely ignore. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this build costs, what you get for the money, and whether it's the right move for you. So stay with me because the pricing breakdown alone is worth watching to the end. If this kind of content is useful to you, hit that subscribe button right now and the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive like this one. Let's get into it. Before we talk money, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what a Scandinavian Barndominium actually is, because a lot of people are misusing this term in 2026. A Scandinavian Barndominium is not just a barndominium with white walls and some throw blankets. It is a specific architectural style rooted in the design traditions of Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Finland, and Iceland. The philosophy behind Scandinavian design is built on three pillars: simplicity, functionality, and a deep connection to nature. Every single design decision is made with purpose. If something doesn't serve a function or add to the sense of calm and comfort, it doesn't belong. On the exterior, you're looking at clean geometric lines with very little ornamentation. The siding is typically vertical wood cladding, dark board and batten, or crisp white or gray metal. The roofline is simple, usually a single steep gable or a clean shed roof, often finished with a standing seam metal roof in dark charcoal or matte black. Large windows are a signature feature, not just big windows, but thoughtfully placed windows that flood every corner of the interior with natural light. Dark framed windows against a white or dark wood exterior create that instantly recognizable Nordic contrast. On the inside, the concept of Hygge takes over. Hygge is the Danish and Norwegian word for coziness, comfort, and well-being. It's not a decoration style, it's a feeling. Open concept living areas with vaulted ceilings and exposed wood beams create space without coldness. Light wood flooring in pine, oak, or birch runs throughout. Walls are white, cream, or soft light gray. Furniture is clean-lined and functional. Cozy textures come from wool rugs, fir throws, and natural stone accents. The whole space feels like a deep breath. Now combine that design philosophy with the structural and cost advantages of barndominium construction, which means post frame or steel frame, durable metal siding or board and batten, flexible open floor plans, and faster build times, and you have something genuinely special. Add a wraparound porch, and you have a home that connects you to the outdoors in every direction. The wraparound porch. Why it matters more than you think. Let's spend real time on the wraparound porch, because this is the feature that elevates a Scandinavian barndominium from a great home to an extraordinary one. A wraparound porch is an outdoor porch that extends around two or more sides of the home. On a Scandinavian barndominium, it typically wraps around the front, and at least one side, often three sides. It's covered, meaning the roof extends over it, giving you weather protection while keeping the connection to the outdoors. Here's why this matters more than people realize. In Scandinavian design, the boundary between indoors and outdoors is intentionally blurred. The porch is the physical expression of that philosophy. You're not stepping outside, you're stepping into an extension of your home. Morning coffee on the porch in early light, evening meals outside in summer, watching storms roll in from a covered, dry perch. This is not luxury living, this is intentional living. From a practical standpoint, a wraparound porch on a barndominium adds shade to the exterior walls in summer, which directly reduces cooling costs. It extends your usable square footage without adding conditioned space, meaning you're adding livable area for a fraction of the per square foot cost of interior space. It protects your exterior walls and windows from rain and UV exposure, reducing long-term maintenance costs. And it dramatically boosts curb appeal, which matters for resale value in 2026. Wraparound porches on Scandinavian barndominiums typically feature exposed wood columns and beams in a natural or dark-stained finish, concrete or composite decking in a neutral tone, simple wooden railings or black metal cable railings for a clean modern look, and strategic lighting like pendant lights and recessed fixtures to make the space usable at night year-round. In terms of size, a full wraparound porch on a 40 by 60 barndominium might cover 600 to 800 square feet of outdoor floor space. The cost to add this runs approximately $15,000 to $35,000, depending on materials, complexity, and your location. That's a relatively small addition to your total project budget for the lifestyle and curb appeal return you get. Design features that define the build a true Scandinavian barndominium with wraparound porch in 2026 has several defining design elements worth understanding before you start planning. The exterior color palette stays disciplined. You'll see matte black or dark charcoal metal roofing paired with white or off-white vertical siding, or conversely, dark board and batten exterior with natural wood porch columns, creating that striking Nordic contrast. Some builds use sage green or deep forest tones that connect the structure to its natural surroundings. What you won't see is bright colors, busy patterns, or excessive decorative trim. Everything is intentional. Large triple-pane windows are both a design and functional element. They maximize natural light deep inside the home, a critical consideration given that Nordic design evolved in regions with long dark winters. In a barndominium, these windows also create dramatic visual moments, with two-story great rooms featuring floor-to-ceiling glass that frames outdoor views like living art. The interior open concept is non-negotiable. Great rooms with 16-foot or higher vaulted ceilings flow directly into the kitchen and dining area. Kitchen islands are generous, designed for both cooking and gathering. Natural wood finishes on cabinets, shelving, and ceiling beams bring warmth to the white and gray palette. Polished concrete or wide plank light wood flooring runs throughout the main level. Primary suites in Scandinavian barndominiums are designed as true retreats, often occupying a private wing with access to a private section of the wraparound porch or a dedicated covered patio. Jack and Jill bath configurations are common for secondary bedrooms. Mudrooms are a standard feature because Nordic design is highly practical about the transition from outdoors to indoors. Popular sizing in 2026 runs from the entry-level Norden-style Planet 1, 668 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths with wraparound porch corner and 2-car garage, up to larger 2-story builds at 332 square feet and beyond with lofts, balconies, and extensive porch systems. The real costs in 2026. Let's get to what everyone really wants to know. What does a Scandinavian barndominium with wraparound porch actually cost build in 2026? According to current 2026 data, average barndominium construction runs $95 to $145 per square foot for standard finishes and $150 to $220 per square foot for premium builds. The Scandinavian style, with its emphasis on quality natural materials and large windows, typically pushes builds toward the mid to upper end of that range. Material costs have stabilized 4 to 8% from 2025 peaks according to current market data, which is good news. However, labor shortages continue to impact pricing in many regions, and early 2026 data shows a shift toward more energy-efficient builds, adding 5 to 12% to base costs, though with meaningful long-term savings on utilities. Here is a realistic cost breakdown for a 40 by 60 Scandinavian barndominium with wraparound porch at 2,400 square feet. Shell including steel or post-frame kit, foundation and assembly. $75,000 to $95,000. $0 exterior Scandinavian finishes including dark board and batten or metal siding, large dark framed windows, metal standing seam roof, and exterior wood accents. $28,000 to $42,000 wraparound porch covering 3 sides with wood columns, composite decking, cable railings, and lighting. $22,000 to $35,000 interior, including open concept great room, vaulted ceilings, exposed beams, Hygge-inspired finishes. Kitchen island, primary suite, and 3 to 4 bedrooms. $138,000 to $185,000 utilities, including well, septic, electrical, HVAC, and plumbing. $45,000 to $65,000 permits, engineering, and site prep. $8,000 to $15,000 grand total for a turnkey 40 by 60 Scandinavian barndominium with wraparound porch. $316,000 to $437,000, or approximately $132 to $182 per square foot. For Texas and the rural Midwest, expect the lower end of that range. For coastal states in the Northeast, expect 20 to 40% above these figures. California builds at this quality level regularly push $400,000 to $600,000 or more. Now compare this to a traditionally built home of equivalent quality, size, and design language. That same 400 square foot custom Scandinavian-inspired home with wraparound porch using traditional construction methods would run from $420,000 to $650,000 in most markets. The barndominium construction method saves you $100,000 to $200,000 on the same finished product. A smaller entry build at 1,668 square feet, which is the popular Norden floor plan style, runs approximately $215,000 to $300,000 $0 Turnkey with Wraparound Porch, making it genuinely accessible for people who want this aesthetic without the premium price tag of larger custom builds. The honest pros, the cost savings are real and significant. At $95 to $145 per square foot for standard finishes versus $150 to $250 plus for traditional construction, you're getting substantially more home for the same budget. The barndominium structure delivers that savings on the shell while you invest the difference in the Scandinavian finishes that make the home exceptional. The design philosophy and the construction method are genuinely aligned. Scandinavian design values simplicity, clean lines, and functional space. Barndominium construction delivers an open-span interior with no load-bearing walls, giving you complete freedom to create the open concept that Nordic design demands. You don't have to fight the structure to achieve the aesthetic. Durability is a major advantage. Steel frame or post-frame construction combined with metal roofing means your home can withstand extreme weather, is resistant to fire, rot, termites, and moisture damage, and has a lifespan of 50 to 100 plus years. The dark standing seam metal roof, which is standard in Scandinavian barndominium design, is one of the most durable roofing systems available and requires minimal maintenance over decades. Energy efficiency is built into the design. Large triple-pane windows, spray foam insulation, tight building envelopes, and the thermal mass of concrete flooring combine to create homes with lower heating and cooling costs than comparably sized traditional builds. The wraparound porch adds to this by shading walls and windows during summer months. The wraparound porch genuinely extends your living space for a fraction of interior construction costs. Adding 600 to 800 square feet of covered outdoor living for $22,000 to $35,000 is roughly $30 to $50 per square foot, which is dramatically cheaper than adding the same square footage as conditioned interior space. Build speed is another real advantage. The shell of a barndominium goes up in days once the foundation is cured. A full build from permit to move-in runs 6 to 14 months for most projects, versus 12 to 24 months for custom traditional construction. The honest cons, the cost of quality Scandinavian materials adds up fast. Large dark-framed triple-pane windows, standing seam metal roofing, natural wood exterior cladding, quality light wood interior flooring, and exposed beam finishes are not cheap items. If you go into this build expecting Scandinavian aesthetics on a budget barndominium material list, you will be disappointed. You have to fund the finishes. Financing remains more difficult than for traditional homes. Many conventional lenders are still hesitant about barndominium structures in 2026. You'll likely need a construction loan at 20 to 25% down, a specialized barndominium lender, or USTA rural development financing if you qualify. This is improving year by year, but it's still a legitimate hurdle compared to financing a traditional home. The wraparound porch requires ongoing maintenance. Wood columns, railings, and decking need periodic sealing, staining, or painting depending on your climate. Composite materials reduce this burden but cost more upfront. In harsh weather climates, snow and ice management on an extended porch system adds a seasonal chore. Zoning and building codes in some areas still push back on metal frame residential structures. Urban and suburban areas with strict architectural guidelines or HOA restrictions may not permit this style. Rural and semi-rural properties are almost always fine, but always verify before purchasing land. The Scandinavian aesthetic requires discipline to execute well. Because the style is built on restraint and minimalism, every design decision is visible. A poorly chosen fixture, wrong floor tone, or mismatched material immediately breaks the aesthetic. This means working with designers and builders who understand Nordic design specifically, not just general barndominium builders. Appraisal challenges exist in markets where comparable Scandinavian barndominium sales are limited. Your appraiser may not have strong local comps, which can affect refinancing options down the road. Is this build right for you? This is the right build if you want a home that looks architectural and intentional without the price tag of a full, custom traditional home. If you value connection to nature, clean and calm living spaces, indoor-outdoor flow, and a design that ages gracefully rather than going out of style, the Scandinavian barndominium with wraparound porch delivers all of that. It rewards people who are willing to invest in quality finishes within a cost-efficient structure. It may not be the right build if you're in a location with restrictive zoning, need conventional financing without complication, or want a highly ornamental exterior with lots of architectural detail. It also requires a builder or design team who understands the Scandinavian style specifically, So doing your homework on contractors matters more here than with a standard barndominium build. The numbers in 2026 make a compelling case. A 40 by 60 turnkey build with wraparound porch for $316,000 to $437,000 versus a comparable traditional custom build at $420,000 to $650,000 represents real money. For the buyer who wants a home that feels exceptional rather than ordinary, at a price point that doesn't require sacrificing financial sanity, this is one of the most interesting options in the alternative housing space right now. The Scandinavian Barndominium with wraparound porch is one of the most compelling housing concepts gaining traction in 2026. It takes the cost efficiency and structural flexibility of barndominium construction and wraps it in a design philosophy that has stood the test of time across an entire continent. The Hygge lifestyle that Scandinavian design promotes, that feeling of warmth, calm, and connection, is exactly what most people are looking for in a home. The wraparound porch takes that indoor sense of peace and extends it to every compass point of your property. The key is going in clear-eyed. Budget for quality materials. Verify zoning early. Choose a builder who respects the aesthetic. And don't compromise on the finishes that define the style. Because in a minimalist design, every detail counts. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a comment below and let me know whether you prefer the dark board and batten exterior or the white siding look for a Scandinavian barndo. I read every comment. Like this video if it gave you value and subscribe for more honest, detailed content on alternative housing. See you in the next one.